So hello guys, welcome to my channel again, and today I will be showing you this new gun I have. And I have bought this like a couple days ago, and it arrived earlier, and I tried it out, and it's pretty good, not gonna lie. So let's get into it. So first thing first, I tried this earlier, as I say. So these bullets are just in a box. So this is the magazine. Oh, I've got the blowback. Yeah, look at that. And this is the magazine. It's long. And also, don't be so about that wet thing, that's oil, because this thing earlier, it's making too much friction. Yeah, that it cannot move, but now it can move freely. And also this gun. So let's put this here, and that's ready in the mag. So yes, it actually shoots pellets. Let's try 3 of them right there. Look, these are the pellets. There are small things with that. And also this is the casing. Just click that in. Now let's make more. So also another one. So on how this work is, when this thing like flick, it will this will fly out, because there's a pin inside that keeps it holding, that keeps it. So let's put the things in. So just like a real gun, you can put it like this, push that down a little bit, now slide in it, or just like a real gun, like this, push in, then slide. There you go. So now this is the test. Now I just adjust the camera like this. If you can see that, look, there's the ejection. Look, sometimes it won't come out. Yeah, there we go, it come out. And if all the bullets are gone, this will happen. And also you can just, there we go. That's all for today, and goodbye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.